Have you ever tried building an online course only to feel like you're piecing together IKEA furniture without the instructions? What if you could create a polished, interactive training course in just minutes instead of spending hours stuck in a clunky LMS? That's exactly what Learniverse promises, and right now, it's available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Here's the problem most course creators face. Gathering PDFs, slides, and links takes forever. Building structured training paths is overwhelming, and tracking learner progress with most platforms feels like a full-time job. Learniverse is trying to fix all of that with an AI-first e-learning builder that turns content into ready-to-use courses in just a few clicks. So, what can it actually do? Instant AI-powered course creation. Upload a PDF, paste a URL, or even type a few words, and within minutes, Learniverse generates a full course with modules, lessons, and quizzes. Customization made simple. You can tweak everything. Add videos, create interactive exercises, insert quizzes, or reorder content. It's like having a course skeleton built for you, then polishing it with your personal touch. Learner management dashboard, assign courses, track progress, and see completion rates, all in one clean dashboard. And yes, email notifications are built in, so learners know when new training is ready. Interactive learning experience courses aren't just static slides. You can add quizzes, video Q&As, and gamified elements that keep learners engaged and motivated. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal. Tier 1, $69, gives you up to 5 active courses, 10 learners per group, and 30 AI credits per month. Tier 2, $129, increases that to 10 active courses, 50 learners per group, and 100 AI credits. Tier 3, $299, scales it further with 20 active courses, 100 learners per group, and 300 AI credits. And if you need even more, Tier 4 unlocks 10 learning groups and up to 3,000 learners total. Compare that to platforms like Teachable or Thinkific, where you'd be paying monthly fees forever. Here, it's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Overall, if you've been putting off building a course because it felt too complicated, Learniverse makes it fast, easy, and affordable. And with this AppSumo lifetime deal, you can lock it in once and use it forever. I'll leave the link below so you can check it out for yourself. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more SaaS and lifetime deal breakdowns. Until next time, happy course building!